Power to the electronic control module comes from the battery at pins 10 and 15. Electronic control module is a 3 amp fuse at the fuse box. A 3 amp fuse in the fuse box, ECM through the ignition switch in the run position. Circuit 340, pins 10 and 15 of the electronic control module. It's a fusible link off the battery. Ignition switch to the on position is a 3 amp fuse. Pins 10 and 15 on the electronic control module, 12 volt battery supply. It's a fusible link. There's wire just off the battery. Circuit 439, pin 16, switched